Join me as I dive into the world of baking soda and challenge myself to uncover its amazing health benefits. It's commonly used in baking, but what if I told you it has some amazing health benefits too? From digestive issues to skin problems, baking soda has the potential to address some of the most common wellness challenges we face today. Millions of people around the world struggle with digestive issues like bloating, indigestion, or acid reflux. These problems can be debilitating and affect our daily lives. Another common issue many of us face is skin problems like acne, eczema, or rosacea. These can be frustrating and affect our self-esteem, and that includes oral health, gum disease, bad breath, and tooth decay. This humble ingredient has been used for centuries to address a range of health issues, and today, we're going to explore some of its most impressive benefits. The most significant benefits of baking soda is its ability to neutralize acid in the body. When our digestive system is out of balance, it can lead to a range of issues, from bloating to indigestion. By adding baking soda to your diet, you can help restore balance to your digestive system and alleviate some of these symptoms. But baking soda also has antibacterial properties, making it a great natural remedy for skin problems like acne. And when it comes to oral health, baking soda can help remove plaque and bacteria from your teeth, reducing the risk of gum disease and bad breath. But what really gets me excited is the potential of baking soda to detoxify the body. When we're exposed to toxins and pollutants, they can build up in our bodies and cause a range of health problems. Baking soda has the ability to help remove these toxins, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized, and ability to reduce inflammation. Studies have shown that baking soda can have a significant impact on our health. For example, one study found that baking soda can reduce the risk of kidney disease by up to 62%. Another study found that it can help reduce inflammation in the body, leading to a range of health benefits. Struggling with digestive issues such as bloating, sluggish, and just didn't feel like themselves. But after incorporating baking soda into their diet, they noticed a significant improvement in their symptoms. They had more energy, their skin cleared up, and they just felt more alive, hence the need to spread the word about the health benefits of baking soda. Baking soda is a natural, inexpensive, and effective way to improve our health and wellness. From digestive issues to skin problems, it has the potential to address some of the most common challenges we face today. Remember, small changes can add up to make a big difference in our health. If you've had any experiences with baking soda, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about health tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other video on natural remedies for common ailments.